I tried to copy the weather app code, but I just have 5,000 lines of random numbers. Do I need to build my own satellite?
Whoa, easy there, Elon Musk. Put down the soldering iron. You're overthinking it. You don't build the satellite. Imagine you are sitting at a restaurant. You are the app. The kitchen is the database with all the weather data. You don't just run into the kitchen and start grabbing ingredients. That would be chaos. You need a middleman. The API is just the waiter. You look at the menu, you tell the waiter what you want, and the waiter runs to the kitchen and brings it back. That's it.
So, I don't need to know how the chef cooks the burger? I just order it?
Bingo. You just hand the waiter a note and he brings you the data. Stop trying to cook the weather.
Oh, thank God. I was about to buy a telescope on eBay.